Today we are going to learn quick trim, close arc and complement. Previously we have completed these two. Okay, so we are going to quick trim. Quick trim here, what we are seeing, it is eraser. Okay, we try lines again, random lines. Okay, now we have selected. There is nothing, it's a random lines. You can choose quick trim, select. Here we can see three options. First one is break and rub in, second one is break and rub out, third one is break and keep. Okay, so let's use first one, break and rub in. Break and rub in, so it will break and rub inside. For example, select this part from this point to this point, it is inside. If I select this line, it will be rub inside. See, break and rub inside. Now select break and rub outside. Again, see here, between these two lines it is a part. If I select, this part will be stay and remaining will be erased. Let's see, outside parts are erased. And third one, break and keep, it will break and doesn't erase anything. Let's click this one. See, from this point to up to here, it is erased, but keep as it is. Break and keep is almost equal to break. Okay, what is the difference between break command and in this quick trim break and keep? Let's see. For example, with this option break and keep, I want to break here, it's not possible. It will be possible only up to certain joints. If I select this line, see where it will be break. Now see, this line is completely single entity, there is no break in this line. If I select this line, what will happen? Let's see. See here, see, first entity, single entity, second entity, third entity. Means wherever the points connected are there, it will be broken there. All it is broken at connections. That is a break and trim. I think you followed. Okay, the single line is divided into three parts: first part, second part, third part, by using break and keep. Now let's see the option break. Now this line is there, first I selected, now it is single entity. Now you have to choose where you want to break. For example, if I want to choose break here, it will break here only. Now see, this line is different, this line is different. it is broken here because I selected here. In quick trim break and keep, we don't have options to choose at point to break the line. Automatically it will break down wherever the cross section or intersection appears. That is the difference between break and breakdown. Break option and break and keep option. Okay, I think you understood the difference between these two commands. Now say again break and rub out. I'm selecting this one. Already we have used one option here. Now see what will happen. It is not selecting break and rub outside because it is now not a circle. It is like acts like a arc because previously we have broken this circle from this point to this point. So now it is not a circle, it is an arc from here to here. We have to keep that point in mind. That's why it is not erasing. See, break and rub out. If I select, this is complete circle. If I select this one, break and erase outside. Break and rub in. If we choose it one, it will be rub because break and rub inside. It is inside self. That's why it is erased. Okay, I hope you understand clearly about the quick trim and difference between break and keep option in quick trim. Okay, now let's see close arc. For example, if you want to make this arc as complete circle, we have to choose first of all point and connect first point and second point. It is an option, it is a process to make arc into circle. Make that arc into circle by single click. That is nothing but close arc. See, I have selected the close arc here and click on this arc. See, it become complete circle. That is the advantage of close arc. Okay, see here already I have erased this circle. Click on this and it's complete circle, and again click here. Okay, and select the arc, select the point. Now arc becomes circle by using another arc. See here, this half part is different, this half part is different. It doesn't become a complete circle. Okay, this is become a complete circle. Why? Because we have used this closed arc. So at any time, if you want to make semicircular arc into complete circle, we use this complete circle, sorry, close arc. We use close arc. Okay, by simple click, that arc becomes circle without any discontinuity. Okay, now let's see another one, complement. For example, this circle is there, makes complement. See here in this option, the circle is this point to this point. It is not complete closed one. Now here this part is balance. So if we choose complement, this complete part will be erased and only this arc will be formed here. Let's see, this is the complement. Now again, if you don't want this arc but you want remaining circle, again choose complement and click on this arc. Okay, whatever remaining part will be there, it will be formed by using complement. That is the option. See here, I am choosing on closer circle. It's indicating black dash symbol because it is not possible, because it is a closed one. Now select this semicircle, it will be possible. Okay guys, thanks for watching CAD Tech tutorials. Please subscribe our channel, like the video, share the video.